Hello, everybody, and happy Friday. I hope everybody's going to have a great weekend. Looks like it's going to be a pretty gorgeous weekend. While the southern half of the United States is sweating it out in 100 degrees, we're going to be in the 80s, so it's going to be kind of nice. So I got four items for you today. First of all, income limits. We're starting to get the income limits come out. Of course, a couple weeks ago, Idaho Housing increased their income limit to $150,000, which was pretty nice. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac also increased their income limit. The limit we're looking at is what's called 80% of area median income. That has gone from 59,000 to 69,600, which means anybody in that 69,600 actually has some pretty special programs available for them. Give us a call if you have any questions about that. Let's talk about a great way to follow up with past clients, specifically past clients that have wells. The FHA, VA always recommends that you get your well tested about once every 5 years. And it's a good way to remind your past clients to get their well tested. Make sure that they're testing for nitrates, chloroforms, and more important is arsenic. We're seeing a lot of wells come up hot for arsenic lately. Taxes. So obviously property taxes came out last week. I sent out a nice little infographic that you could blog about or social media about, but kind of more importantly is if you currently have a transaction in the works, make sure that title is recalculating property taxes so the seller is giving the proper property taxes to the buyers. Kind of important. It's kind of bad for the sellers because the sellers are going to have to pay more property taxes, but it's a nice added benefit to the buyers. We just had one come back and it was like $600 difference. So that's pretty cool. And finally, I'm going to talk about rates just a little bit because they went to heck in the last 3 days. Rates have gone up significantly in the last 3 days, and specifically today. Most rates got shut off today. They're starting to come back on, but inflation came back super, super, super hot. Inflation is always bad for interest rates. We can pretty much kiss the 5% rates off. We are looking definitely at 6% interest rates coming in line, and we could actually see 7s depending upon what the inflation does over the next couple months. So the video I did about 3 weeks ago that said, hey, maybe we saw a topping of the interest rates, it's all out the door now. Inflation is way too high. Hey, thank you very much. As always, I always appreciate your business. Use me as a resource, and have a great weekend.